10 Home Remedies for Acne. Brought to you by Healing Health. 1. Apply apple cider vinegar. 1. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar and 3 parts water. Use more water for sensitive skin. 2. After cleansing, gently apply the mixture to the skin using a cotton ball. 3. Let sit for 5-20 seconds, rinse with water and pat dry. The organic acids in apple cider vinegar may help kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce the appearance of scars. Applying it to the skin may cause burns or irritation, so it should be used carefully. 2. Make a honey and cinnamon mask. Both honey and cinnamon are excellent sources of antioxidants. How to make a honey and cinnamon mask. 1. Mix 2 tablespoons honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon together to form a paste. 2. After cleansing, apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. 3. Rinse the mask off completely and pat your face dry. 3. Treat with tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying it to the skin has been shown to reduce acne. 1. Mix 1 part tea tree oil with 9 parts water. 2. Dip a cotton swab into the mixture and apply it to affected areas. 3. Apply moisturizer if desired. Repeat this process 1-2 times per day, as needed.
4. Apply green tea to your skin. Green tea is very high in antioxidants, and drinking it can promote good health. How to use it? Step 1. Steep green tea in boiling water for 3-4 minutes. Step 2. Allow tea to cool. Step 3. Using a cotton ball, apply tea to skin or pour into a spray bottle to spritz on. Allow to dry, then rinse with water and pat dry.
5. Moisturize with aloe vera. When applied to the skin, aloe vera gel can help heal wounds, treat burns, and fight inflammation. It may be beneficial for individuals with acne-prone skin, but more research needs to be done. How to use it? Step 1. Scrape the gel from the aloe plant out with a spoon. Step 2. Apply gel directly to clean skin as a moisturizer. Step 3. Repeat 1-2 times per day or as desired.
6. Take a fish oil supplement. Fish oils contain EPA and omega-3 fatty acids. Taking a fish oil supplement may help decrease acne.
7. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation is the process of removing the top layer of dead skin cells. It may reduce the appearance of scars and discoloration, but more research needs to be done on its ability to treat acne. How to make a scrub at home? Step 1. Mix equal parts sugar or salt and coconut oil. Step 2. Scrub skin with mixture and rinse well. Step 3. Exfoliate as often as desired up to once daily. 8. Cut back on dairy. Some studies found a positive association between drinking milk and acne. Limiting milk and dairy consumption may be a good idea for those with acne-prone skin, but more research needs to be done. 9. Reduce stress. Hormones that are released during times of stress can make acne worse. Reducing stress may help improve acne. Some ways to reduce stress are: get more sleep, engage in physical activity, practice yoga, meditate, take deep breaths. 10. Exercise regularly. Exercise promotes healthy blood circulation, regulates hormones, and helps reduce stress. It's recommended that healthy adults exercise for 30 minutes 3-5 times per week. This can include walking, hiking, running, and lifting weights.